subscribe.
The viper slithering around, wiggling fast without a sound. Sway side to side, wiggle with me like a viper. 1, 2, 3. W is the woodpecker, tap, 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 drumming on trees with a little rap. Nod your head, tap your feet, like a woodpecker, nice and neat. It's a xylophone bird singing so sweet, tapping its beak to a happy beat. Clap your hands, sing along. And Y is for a yellow butterfly, flying high, fluttering gently through the sky. Y is for butterfly, light and free, dancing in the breeze with glee. Flap your wings, swirl around, float so high up off the ground. And Z is for zinnia, bright and sweet, a flower so colorful, such a treat. C is for zinnia, pink and red, blooming tall in the flower bed. Sway and dance side to side, like a flower full of pride. W, X, Y's we sang today, learning is fun in every way. Jump, twirl, and dance once more, come back, sing for letters galore.